morning, children. I am Praveen Barua, your mathematics teacher. So, on behalf of our school, I welcome all of you for this academic session 2020-21. As you know, the whole world is suffering, and we are also a part of it. Don't know when the school will reopen. We are waiting for the government orders. So, to minimize the academic loss of yours, we are arranging some online-offline classes from our school. We know in many places we cannot access the internet, so that's why live classes is not possible from our side. So what I am going to do, I will record some videos of your chapters, and after recording the video, I will upload all this video in YouTube, and I will share the YouTube link to you so that you can, wherever you will get the internet access, you can download the videos, or you can see the videos, and you can access my classes. And after each video, I will give you one worksheet, and you have to prepare that. You have to answer all the questions of that worksheet, and in every Saturday you have to submit that worksheet to me through WhatsApp. And second thing, you see, now all of you reach class 9. So now you entered in a secondary level classes. It is little bit different from the middle classes. So many of you are getting more than 90 marks in mathematics. So when you reach in class 9, the scenery will little bit change. So the way of learning mathematics that you have did in class 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, you have to change little bit here in class 9. Okay? You need lot of practice here. And secondly, you see, in every exercise, most of you have gone through your textbook, I think. You see, after in every exercise, few questions are there only. That is not sufficient for you. So for practicing many questions, you have to consult some reference book. It is not necessary you buy very big volumes reference book. It is better you purchase some question bank. So many questions are available. So you have to, apart from the textbook questions, you have to do some extra questions also. Then only you can score a very good mark in mathematics. In class 9 also, and the next year, that is class 10 also. Then practice is needed. Every day minimum 1 hour you have to practice regularly. Then only you can achieve your goal. And that critical thinking, that habits you have to inculcate in your life. Just don't be a parrot. Whatever we will teach you, you will learn, and after that, nothing. So you have to develop that habit, that critical thinking. So we will give you the main thing, the concept. The concept is very much necessary. So first of all, you gather that concept and try to do more and more questions. And you please avoid guides. This is my suggestion. Try to do by yourself. Any doubts there, you can consult with your teacher and from your elders who know mathematics. So from today, we are going to start our first chapter, that is number system. So let us start our classes. Thank you. So let us start our first class of class 9, the first chapter of class 9, that is number system. Dear children, you know from your childhood, from class 1, you have learned about numbers, natural numbers, and you might also learn the number line. This is the number line, you know. Here all the positive numbers will be there. Here the negative number. Here this is 0. Now you see here that here I am drawing one diagram to make you understand about number. Now first of all, 1, 2, 3. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. It will never end. So what is the name of these numbers? The name of this number is what? Natural number. You already know from class 1 onwards you have learned about natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite, infinity. These numbers are called what? Natural number. Okay? Now, if I include 0 along with this natural number, what I will get? That one also you know, I think. What I will get? What is the name of this number? This together? Whole number. 0 along with what? Natural number. They are called what? Whole numbers. That one also you know. 1, 2, 3 and along with 0, or 0 itself is also a whole number. Okay? So up to here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called what? Along with 0. These are called whole numbers. Again, what I am going to you see here what I am going to use now. Again, I have included some more. You have seen some more numbers are there in this number line. -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. Now you see what I did. -1, -2, -3 along with this what? Whole number and natural number. Whole number and natural number. -1, -2, -3, then +1, +2, +3 up to infinity and 0. So they together call what? Integers. They together call integers. Alright? Now, again you have learned some other numbers also here. Okay? That is, have you seen such type of numbers? 1/2, 0.7, 1/5, like this type of number. So now in this diagram, I include some other numbers also. 1/2, 0.7, 1/5. Okay, this type of number I included in this what? Diagram. Now, this number along with these numbers are called what? Natural number. Okay? Natural number? Rational number. The 1/2, 0.7, 1 along with these numbers, these whole numbers are called what? Rational number. And we will go for the definition of this rational number. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn rational number that you have learned in class 8. And one new number we are going to learn here, that is irrational number, and one more new numbers we are going to learn here, that is real number. That things we will discuss one by one. Alright? So first of all, I hope it is clear. Again I recap all these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. What type of number they are? They are called natural number. Alright? Natural number. If I include 0 along with this natural number, you see I included 0 along with this natural number. So it becomes a what? Whole number. 0 along with natural number, or 0 itself is also a what? Whole number. Okay? Now, again in this number line, you see here some negative numbers are also there. -1, -2, -3. If I include all these numbers together, then what type of numbers they are called? They are called what? Integers. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are called what? Integers. If I say, give one example of integers. Suppose, one student told, sir, plus 1. Yes, correct. Another student says, sir, minus 1. Yes, both are integer. 1 plus 1 is also an integer, minus 1 is also an integer. If I ask, give one example of negative integers, then your answer should be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, something. Minus. If I ask, give one example of positive integer, then you have to say 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, like this. Okay? This is about integers. Now, again, I am included in this diagram, I am included some other number also, 1 by 2, 0.7, 1 by 5. Okay? So, this number, all these numbers together are called what? Rational number. These are all natural number that we are going to learn now. These are all natural number. Rational number. These are all natural numbers. What is rational number? That thing we will discuss now. Now, you see here, this is 0, this is 1. 0 is also a natural number, rational number. 0 is also a rational number, 1 is also how it is that one we are going to discuss after a few minutes. Okay? Suppose 0 is also a rational number and 1 is also a. Between these two numbers, infinite number of rational numbers is there. 1 is also a rational number, 2 is also a rational number. And between these two rational numbers, infinite number of rational numbers are there. Between any two rational numbers, there is infinite number of rational numbers. That things we are going to discuss now. Now, first of all, we will see what is the definition of a rational number. Now, so let us discuss what is the definition of a rational number. So let us try to discuss the definition. Any number that can be written in P by Q form. Very important definition. Any number that can be written in P by Q form is called rational number. Is called rational number. Where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers. Just now we learned what is integers. Are integers. And Q should not be equal to 0. So let us see this definition. What this definition says. The rational number definition. Rational number definition, it says any number that can be written in P by Q form is called a rational number. Suppose here I am writing 1 by 2. Now this is P, this is Q. So this number I am writing in the form of P by Q. So any number that can be written in P by Q form is called rational number. ओके जो भी नंबर हम P by Q फॉर्म मतलब ऐसा फॉर्म में लिखते हैं वो नंबर को हम क्या बोलते हैं रेशनल नंबर बोलते हैं ओके where P and Q are integers this P and Q it is what integer it is integers means it may be a positive number it may be a what negative number this is also a what rational number this is also a rational number because these are all integers okay so any number that can be written in P by Q form is called a rational number. Okay, so p by q form I am written here. Here p and q should be what? Integer. It may be a positive number, it may be a what? Negative number. And q should not be equal to 0. Remember, this is the most important part. Q should not be equal to 0. Means this denominator should not be equal to 0. If it is 0, what will happen? Let us see. Can you tell me? What is the value of this one? 1 by 0. 1 by 0. If the denominator is 0, it is a undefined quantity. It is an undefined quantity. You can't write like this. If the denominator is 0, it is an undefined quantity. Alright. So in denominator you can't write 0. That's why it is written q should not be equal to 0. ये जो q denominator कभी भी 0 नहीं होना है. So that is the very simple definition of what? Rational number. Okay. Now let me ask some questions. Now you tell me whether 2 is a rational number or not. Yes, my question is whether 2 is a rational number or not. You may be thinking no, because it is not in p by q form. Alright, 2 is not in p by q form. So according to what the definition says, any number that can be written in p by q form is called. कोई भी नंबर को अगर हम p by q form में लिखते हैं वो क्या नंबर होता है? रेशनल नंबर होता है. Just now we learned. But my question is whether 2 is a rational number or not. So you may be thinking, it is not look like p by q. It is not a rational number. Now you see children, these two can I write 2 by 1? Now it is in p by 2 by 1 means what? 2 only. So now it is in p by q form or not? It is in p by q form. That's why 2 is, this 2 is also a rational number or not? Okay. Again, 5. 5 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. How it is a rational number? Yes, this 5 I can write 5 by 1. Alright. Again, whether 0 is a rational number or not, very important thing. Whether 0 is a rational number or not. Okay? According to the definition, any number that can be written in p by q form is called a rational number. So this 0 can I write like this? 0 by 1. Yes, p by q form. Yes, 0 is also a rational number. Alright. So that is a brief introduction of a rational number. And one more thing, just now I told all these number 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this, all are rational number. And remember, between any two rational number, infinite number of rational numbers are there. Infinite, that you have learned in class 8. Between any two numbers, infinite numbers of rational number are there. So our next topic will be how to find rational number between any two rational numbers. Suppose if I have given you one question, find 10 rational number between 1 and 2. Okay, so how we can find that one we are going to discuss in our next class, and after that we are going to discuss irrational number. Okay, so that is for today's class. Just I have given a brief introduction of rational number. Thank you very much and have a good day.